Good morning, students. Open your science book, chapter 10, all about air. Today we will start chapter 10, all about air. First topic is your atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a blanket of different gases as a layer. This layer is called the earth atmosphere. See, the earth is surrounded by different types of gases as a layer. So this layer is known as Earth's atmosphere. Without atmosphere, there is no life on earth can be possible. Without atmosphere, without the blanket of gases, we can't live. There is no life on earth. The atmosphere gives us air, water, heat and protect us against harmful rays of the sun. See, the atmosphere gives us air, it gives us water, and atmosphere gives us heat. And the main work of atmosphere is it protects us against harmful rays of the sun. This layer around the earth is a colorless, odorless, tasteless sea of gases, water and fine dust. The atmosphere is important for us in many ways. See, there are different ways how atmosphere is important for us. Like, without atmosphere, there would have been no life. There is no life without atmosphere. It gives us air to breathe. It protects harmful rays of the sun, UV rays, from reaching the earth. And the fourth one is the atmosphere absorbs so much heat. Atmosphere absorbs the heat. The temperature on earth becomes favorable for the life to get possible, so that the life can survive on earth. And the fifth one is atmosphere protects us from meteorites, which are small rocks moving about in the space. And now the next heading is layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere have 5 layers. They are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the last is exosphere. Now we will study about troposphere. This is the layer of the atmosphere closest to the earth's surface. This is the most closest layer in the atmosphere, which is close to the earth. It extends to about 10 to 15 km above the earth's surface. It contains 75% of atmosphere's mass. All weather changes takes place. See, the weather changes takes place in this layer, in troposphere. The weather changes takes place in troposphere. Now turn your page 108. The second layer, stratosphere. What is stratosphere? It is the second layer in the atmosphere. It lies directly above the troposphere. Troposphere lies and then stratosphere. Stratosphere is the second layer. It extends from about 15 to 50 km above the earth's surface. This layer protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. This is due to the ozone gas present in this layer. See, where the ozone gas present? In stratosphere. Name the layer. The question arises from here in this topic. See, name the layer in which the ozone gas present. So what you will write? You will write stratosphere. Now see the blue box, ozone layer. The stratosphere contains a thin layer of ozone which absorbs most of the harmful UV rays. UV rays are harmful rays from the sun. The ozone layer is being depleted and getting thinner over Asia, Europe, North America and Antarctica. Scientists have discovered holes in the ozone layer. Now see, third one is mesosphere. Now the third layer is mesosphere. It lies just above the stratosphere. First one was stratosphere. First one was troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third is mesosphere. And it is extending from 50 to 80 km above the earth's surface. This is where we see falling stars. There are meteors that fall towards the earth and are burned up in the atmosphere. Fourth one, thermosphere. Fourth layer is thermosphere. It extends from 80 km above the earth's surface to the outer space. The temperature is hot and may be as high as thousands of degrees. See, in thermosphere, the temperature is very hot and it may be thousands of degrees. When the sun is active, the thermosphere can heat up to 1500 degrees centigrade or higher. The air is extensively thin in this layer. The air is thin in this layer, a small change in energy can cause a large change in temperature. Now, ionosphere. What is ionosphere? The thermosphere also includes the region of the atmosphere called ionosphere. This region is filled with charged particles. The high temperatures in the thermosphere can cause molecules to ionize. Now, fifth one is exosphere. What is exosphere? The exosphere is the highest layer of the atmosphere. It is the above layer of the atmosphere. Together with the ionosphere, it makes up the thermosphere. See, with ionosphere and exosphere, it makes up thermosphere. The exosphere extends to 10,000 km above the Earth's surface. This is the upper limit of the atmosphere. The atmosphere here merges into space in the extremely thin air. This is the area where many satellites orbit the Earth. Now, see the greenhouse effect. The heat from the sun, see that blue box is given in page 109. The greenhouse effect. The heat from the sun warms the Earth's surface, but most of it is radiated and sent back into the space. Water vapor and carbon dioxide in the troposphere traps some of this heat, preventing it from escaping, thus keeping the Earth warm. This trapping of heat is called greenhouse effect. However, there is too much carbon dioxide in the troposphere. There is too much CO2 in troposphere. Then it will trap too much heat. If CO2 is there, then it will trap too much heat. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide will raise the Earth's surface temperature. It will bring significant changes to the weather patterns. See, due to greenhouse effect, there is a temperature change, there is a weather change, and thereby shifting in climatic zones and melting of the polar ice caps. It will bring significant changes to the weather patterns worldwide, thereby shifting in climatic zones and the melting of the polar ice caps. Polar ice caps are melting because of greenhouse effect, because of the weather changes, and there is by shifting in climatic zones. Now it is completed. So what we have read today? We have read atmosphere and what is the need of atmosphere and what is the function of atmosphere, and what is the importance of atmosphere. After that, we have read there are 5 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Now tomorrow we will read air. Thank you class, and revise this chapter, read this chapter in your home, and tomorrow we will start chapter 10 from page 109, air. Air will be our next topic in the next class. Thank you class.